Welcome to Dream Chasers Radio. What you just saw was a gentleman who was speaking at an event. And not only was he speaking at an event, he was actually giving information about hybrid and electric cars and his new book. You can't miss this episode. Don't miss this episode. We'll be right back. So today's show is a review, but it's not just a review, it's more of an informational thing because we are now tending to buy more hybrid, more electric cars and need more information about how they run and what kind of lights to get and how do you connect it? And do I have to buy a charger? I mean, there's so many different things that we need to know. And this gentleman here has made it very simple. I'm going to go ahead and share his website. And I want to let you know his book is coming out very soon. And let me go ahead and do this and get you on this page because when I saw this page, I was so impressed by just the sheer study that he's done. And because he is an engineer and because he's been in the business for I don't know how long, yeah, he knows a lot about this. So we are now on the page, and his name is Muneer Lyati. Let me spell that for you. MUNEERLYATI.com. And I will put that in the description box, or you will see below how to get to that website right there. Okay. So with that in mind, I'm going to go ahead and put this in full screen because I think this is amazing. So the automotive industry, this is his profession. This is what he does. And I am so impressed. I haven't had really anybody in the automotive industry on the show. Neither have I reviewed one like this before. But I'm going to tell you, when I was in high school, they used to have an automotive shop where you would go and you would learn about, fixing cars and stuff. And that's gone away so much so that I think that people have lost contact with, hey, your car was actually built by somebody. These little pieces that go in the car was actually formulated by someone who knows how to do it. These lights were designed. The metal was pinpointed for accuracy and for density. I mean, there's just so many different things about cars that most people just don't know. And so this is what this gentleman has done. He has definitely just gone ahead and pinpointed a bunch of different things, especially in his new book that's going to be coming out soon. And his page is right here. But look at this, the review of the BMW model. And I mean, come on, look at this. To me, this is where you go. If you want to buy a car, especially a hybrid or an electric car, this is the place to be. Now, I was looking at this. It says exactly what is an automobile engine. He goes to the basics, but not only does he does that, but he does this. He puts all of this in blogs so that you and me can see what we need to see here to understand what's going on with our vehicle, the maintenance. I mean, all of this is so necessary. It says, why? It says, should I do myself car maintenance? So, should you do your own car maintenance? Generally, yeah, maybe changing the oil. But when it comes to something bigger, I think that we should take it to somebody because I'm just saying, so we do like the wipers, of course, and all that stuff. So he is saying that, yes, there's some things that we could do generally ourselves to maintain our car. But in most cases, when it comes to major things, if you're not breathed on the maintenance of an electric or hybrid car, you should really take it into a professional and get it checked out. I'm going to talk about him for a second, but I'm just looking at all of this, and this is just amazing to me that he would have all of this information right here. So I'm going to go to gallery because all of us love pictures. Okay, so you can see here that they talk about, all of this. He goes, oh my gosh, he's just an avid traveler. Look at that. And he does a lot of different workshops and does a lot of different things. Oh, I love this one here. Yes, right under the car, right under the car. So you can see that they're actually doing things with the car, with the motor. And this is his new book. And we're just going to keep going here. Um, it is important that we have fun doing what we love to do. And as you can see, he definitely does have fun doing what he loves to do. So the automotive industry, he goes over all of that, and we just went down through that. These are all the blogs, the technology. I mean, just everything that you can think of right here. So I'm going to go ahead and talk about this gentleman because I think and I truly believe that he deserves to be talked about. He has his book coming out, of course, and I want to go ahead and go to he's the latest author. He has 171 posts on that website, by the way, where you can actually learn about your car, about the hybrid, about everything to do with your hybrid or electric car. That's what he specializes in. From what I've learned about him and what I truly love, is that his book is on regular maintenance on the car light maintenance on your car. Okay, the first book talks about information that will help you take care of your car engine in order to increase the life of your engine and give you the basic information in the periodic and regular maintenance of cars and how to work it by yourself. So yes, there is something that you can do. There is something that you can do to keep your car lasting longer, and you can do it yourself. Okay, and he teaches that. The research is on hybrid and electric cars, and to find out how to enter the artificial intelligence in the automotive world, and also to try and reduce emissions. So engine emissions is really big because of the warming climate and climate change. Okay, he has been in the industry, and I know I have his information here. Give me 1 second. 1982. 1982. This man has been studying up on cars, motors, and now hybrids and electric motors. I mean, literally, if he doesn't know about it, then it doesn't exist. I'm just going to say that. So he's been doing this for a very long time. I want to thank him so much for sending me that website and showing me that yes, you can do certain things for your car to help your car last longer, and you can do that. And his new book will be out soon. You can go to the website and check that out, like I did, and his book is coming out. Now, if you go down here, it says our authors 171 posts on the automotive industry and how you can take your car life in your hands and actually extend the life of your motor vehicle, your hybrid, or your electric car. I want to thank him so much. Muneer, thank you so much for bringing this to my attention. Thank you so much for all the work that you've done here on this site. This to me is an amazing site because it's not just something that you put together and then just said it's a site. What you've done is you've actually taken, and this is what he's done, he's actually taken the work, put in the work, and given you the means by which you can use his expertise to keep your car running. And who doesn't want to keep a car longer than it? I just want to keep my car forever because I just want it to work forever. As long as it is in good condition, I don't want to buy a new car. And I think a lot of people are the same. So go to this website, learn more about your hybrid, your electric car, right there below. It's right here. And definitely, he will guide you in the right area. If you can't, if you don't, if you won't, then of course your local mechanic can take over from there. But at least you'll know what's going on with your car. And that is the biggest subject. Thank you so much for bringing this site to my attention. I love it. 2 thumbs up. Very informational, very enlightening. It's very detailed, and the book is right in there. Okay, and when the book comes out, you will definitely get that. And I thank you so much for sending this information to me. And don't forget to dare to be different. This is a lot of information. I'm actually going to go there right now and check it out and see what it says about my car. And because, I mean, you know, we all have some maintenance to do. What if we could actually keep our cars longer and in better running condition? This is going to help. This is really going to help. I got to go, guys, but thank you so much. And don't forget to join us on this website right here,
MuneerLyati.com.
And thank you guys so much again. And don't forget to dare to be different.
I dare to be different. I dare to be different. I dare to be different. I dare.